Hey guys, it's Andrea here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, aka my internet home.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison.
So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a little luxury home decor haul. But before we get into that video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post, because I am on my way to 3K and I want you guys with me every step of the way. Now that that's all done, let's get right into the video. Okay, so like I said in my intro, I'm going to be doing a little luxury home decor haul. So I got 3 luxury wall decor pieces from the brand Cecilia's House. So Cecilia's House is a black and woman owned brand, so kudos to you, sis. She created this brand because she was basically tired of going from like TJ Maxx to Burlington to HomeGoods looking for black art. There's not a lot of black art out there, especially like luxury pieces. There's not a lot of that. So she decided she was gonna create some for herself, and all the baddies out there too. They sent me over 3 of their very, very beautiful black girl luxury wall pieces, and like I'm super excited to show you guys. But so the first one that she sent me over is called Spa Day. They're kind of big, guys, so give me a second. Oh, so this is Spa Day. She is absolutely gorgeous. Like, this is an aesthetic, okay? This is a black girl luxury if I've ever seen any. Right here, I love this one so much. I kind of like the fact that they don't have full faces. Is that weird? Like, she doesn't have eyes, and I kind of like that. I don't know, because I can envision that it's me. This is me. With the robe and everything and the glass of wine, definitely me. So the second piece I'm going to show you is called Sitting Pretty, and because you know your girl be sitting pretty or whatever. So this one, I'm sorry if there's like a glare, I'm filming by my window. Also very luxurious. I really feel like this is something I like. If I had an office space, I would definitely put this up in my office space. The first one I would put like in my bathroom, maybe my bedroom, because you know, I'm not really sure if I'd put it in the bathroom just because it's canvas art and I don't want anything to mess up the canvas, like the seam. I'm new to art, so like I don't know how you treat art. I don't know. If I had an office space, this would definitely go into my office space because this gives me boss lady energy. This gives me big boss lady energy. This is Beyonce energy, okay? Like, this is the lemonade hat. This is the Formation lemonade hat, okay? Like, she was like, okay, ladies, now let's get in formation. I feel like, look at her. She's busy taking calls, all right? Rather be tied up in calls and not strings. Words of Ariana Grande, okay? Boss lady extraordinaire. I saved my favorite for last. It's called Drippin'. This one's definitely going in my bedroom. I hope you guys can see it. They're so big, but like, I love it. The earring says Drippin'. She got her little gold hair clips in. She got her little baby hair swoop. It's so pretty. I'm sorry if you guys can't really hear me talking behind this, but it's so pretty. And then she has her her brand's logo right here, Cecilia's House. And all of these are like golds. They're canvas, but in like a gold frame. It just screams black girl luxury. Like, oh my gosh. This one's definitely my favorite. This one's really going, like, it's going up right here. You guys are gonna see it in my next video. It's just gonna go like, just, ooh. Yes, sorry. Yes, it's probably a little higher, but I want you guys to see it, so I don't know, maybe it's like, maybe up here. Oh my gosh, sorry guys, I got really excited. So you guys most definitely should check out Cecilia's House. I'm gonna leave their Instagram and their website down in the description box, so please make sure you check them out and support a black owned business, support a woman owned business, support somebody who saw something missing in the industry and decided to create it for herself. Please go and support her. Like, and she has so many different designs on the website. Like, there's like black girl luxury, sisterhood, couture, culture. Like, they come in different sections and they all have different vibes. And I believe the retail price for these were $165 each, which is actually very, very affordable because if you go to HomeGoods or Target and you try to buy some canvas art, it's gonna cost you a really pretty penny, like a really pretty penny and a quarter. I'm just letting you know. But for $165, this is definitely worth it. It shipped UPS, and I think I got it maybe 2 days after she sent them out to me. I believe she sent them out. I got them yesterday. Yesterday was Friday. So I believe she sent them out on Wednesday and I received them on Friday. She's based in New York. She's actually from Brooklyn. So if you guys are from New York, if you're from Brooklyn, go ahead and support your girl, because she's making moves right now, okay? And this artwork, I really just cannot get over this. Come on, guys. Come on. So definitely do make sure you check her out. So once again, I will leave their Instagram and their website down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. That is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please give me a big old thumbs up. Please let me know down in the comments which artwork piece was your favorite. I told you mine was Drippin', but I really do love all of them, but Drippin' is my favorite. I ain't even gonna lie, I do have a favorite. Drippin' is the Beyonce right now. That's just how I feel. So you know your girl came through with the coupon code. So if you guys are interested in any of the pieces that I showed you today or any of the other artwork pieces that you see on her website, please make sure you use my code AndreaScarlett to get 15% off of your order. I'm gonna put it up on the screen and down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. If you didn't get to at the beginning of the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post, because I am on my way to 3K and I want you guys with me every step of the way. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison. I'm a